Hello, hi everybody, this is Midnight here, and today we're going to be unboxing the PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer Plus. This is a seen on TV. It's a family size one for 6+ servings. This thing microwaves, air fries, bakes, broils, defrosts, and reheats. The microwave that air fries. Now, I am so happy about this because the microwave in our house cuts off and barely fucking works. And when I want to heat up my food, I want to heat up my food. But that's not the only thing that I like to do. I like air frying because I don't like to fry my French fry. I don't like the grease and the oil from the French fries or stuff like that. I can actually just put it in here and cook it. I can bake a pizza in here. I can bake a cake, cookies, all sorts of stuff. This thing does it all, and I cannot wait. It's gonna be magical. We're gonna unbox it, and then we're going to do a review on it. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this, and then sorry, my bed's a little junky because I forgot to clean it off. I hope you guys enjoy my live streams and everything else. So I heard this microwave is really huge and big. Holy crap, look, it has a really big back thing in the back of it. Let's see. It's kind of hard for me to get it out. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. So here we go. So I finally got it out of the box. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what's inside. Here's the steps into using it. Here's the owner's manual. Tells you how to, use it, and I gotta keep that because it's gonna tell me how to use it. Holy crap. Here's a little grate, for air frying stuff. So, a warranty thing. Last but not least, let's look inside. So, I'm gonna get it set up so you guys can see what it looks like and turn it on. And I'll show you the rest of the stuff. So everybody, I do got it all set up, and okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Has a little plate in here and stuff. So I will like put something in here, cook it, and I will test it out. And it says, and read all the manuals and instructions and stuff to how I can cook stuff and everything else. But I am going to give this thing a try, and I will do a review on it, and I will talk about it, how to set it, and even show how to cook some stuff in it, and see if you guys actually want to get this microwave, and I will tell you how good it is. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and go follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And may the Spirit of the Wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And remember, wolves are worth saving. Okay, everyone, bye.